Wizard's linear algebra is your AI math crush, darling. It deals with vectors, matrices, PCA, and SVD to transform data. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos with Iris and Housing.
Anastasia, you make algebra sound so hot. How do vectors and matrices power AI, love? Ethan, what's your take on linear algebra in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Linear algebra transforms AI data for models. Ethan, jump in with your entertaining explanation.
Anastasia, Olivia, linear algebra is like a hot transformation, manipulating AI data with flair. It's an algebra party. Let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, NP. Array, 1, 2, 3, creates vectors like a hotline for Sophia, representing AI data points. It's a vector party. Let's drop this code beat and vectorize some magic.
You're vectorizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, vectors represent AI data points. Try it in our demo. It's like building blocks with passion.
Wizards, NP. Array, 1, 2, 3, 4, creates matrices like a hot grid for Sophia, structuring AI data. It's a matrix party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're gridding my heart, Ethan. Wizards, matrices structure AI data. Try it in our demo. It's like organizing data with passion.
Wizards, NP. A. B. multiplies matrices like a hot operation for Sophia, computing AI transformations. It's an ops party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're multiplying my heart, Ethan. Wizards, matrix operations transform AI data. Try it in our demo. It's like operating data with passion.
Wizards, EIG, Mat. Computes eigenvalues, eigenvectors like a hot decomposition for Sophia, revealing AI data directions. It's an eigenparty. Let's drop this code beat.
You're decomposing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, eigenvalues/eigenvectors reveal AI data structure. Try it in our demo. It's like uncovering directions with passion.
Wizards, PCA, n_components equals 2, reduces dimensions like a hot compression for Sophia, transforming AI data. It's a PCA party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're reducing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, PCA reduces AI data dimensions. Try it in our demo. It's like compressing data with passion.
Wizards, SVD, Mat. Decomposes matrices like a hot breakdown for Sophia, applying SVD for AI. It's an SVD party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're decomposing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, SVD decomposes AI data matrices. Try it in our demo. It's like breaking down data with passion.
Wizards, NumPy from day 39 is a triple threat for Sophia. NP. A. B. Computes operations like a hot multiplication. Coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're multiplying my heart, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy powers linear algebra for AI. Try it in our challenge. It's like fueling AI with math magic.
Wizards, SciPy for linear algebra is a sexy duet for Sophia. EIG, Mat. Computes eigenvalues, coding fireworks light up the screen.
You're decomposing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, SciPy enhances linear algebra for AI. Try it in our demo. It's like breaking down data with passion.
Wizards, optimize linear algebra with clean data, proper matrix shapes, and numerical stability. Use NumPy for operations and SciPy for decompositions to ensure robust AI models for top performance.
Irene's right, wizards. Always check matrix dimensions and use stable algorithms like SVD for efficiency. These practices make your AI models reliable. Apply them in your challenge.
Oh, Irene, Isabella, optimized algebra's so sexy. Clear practices make AI math irresistible. Practice for Day 58's data exploration project Wizards and keep those matrices sizzling.
Wizards, linear algebra powers AI pipelines, transforming data for models. It's essential for PCA and SVD. Your skills are ready for Day 58's data exploration project.
Irene's spot on. Linear algebra structures data for AI workflows, enabling efficient modeling. Use it to enhance your projects. Get ready for Day 58's challenge.
Oh, Irene, Isabella, linear algebra is critical in AI pipelines, darling. It transforms data sexily. Your Day 57 skills make AI irresistible. Apply algebra like pros.